My name is Hu Yun. I'm from China, Shanghai, and I'm based in Shanghai. I am an artist. I'm here doing a 3-month residency related to the scientific illustration collection of Natural History Museum, especially the John Reeves collection.
This is the first international artist research residency program we're running in partnership with Guestwork Studios, which is an organization that offers studio space for artists. Yun was selected by a panel to work and research the Reeves collection, and particularly briefed to create a commissioned new work for one of the temporary display cases in the Images of Nature gallery. The following year we'll have an artist from Australia, and the year after we'll have an artist from India to research the collections from the respective geopolitical areas.
John Reeves came to China in the early 19th century, and during his stay in China he commissioned a lot of native Chinese artisans to do these kind of scientific illustrations all about Chinese specimens and plants and animals.
So they would bring their particular Chinese style to the drawing, even though they were instructed by Reeves to reproduce the specimen in a particular way. And what was interesting to see how Yun, as a contemporary artist, how he responded.
I found lots of artistic things, like the colors, the shape, and all the details. For me, it's totally artwork, more than scientific illustrations. For example, this one is just a very normal plant, a normal tree in China. It's all these kind of small thing, and the fruit, the leaves, the sick leaves, and the root. All these kind of details, the artist put them in a very nice position, and also with the lines, with the colors, with the shape of everything inside on these one papers.
So how does Yun make his work? He spends time here at the museum, and then often he goes back to the studio and produces drawings. But what he's drawn can be inspired by either the Reeves collection or any objects and situation he finds on his way to the studio, while going shopping. And so the idea of the depictions that were created in the 19th century stay with him and infiltrate and find their way into the drawings he's done during the residency period. Working with an artist really meant to engage with the cultural scene around Reeves' work. Yun became really interested in how the artisans that created the works were appreciated or are appreciated now.
One thing is really funny, is like these artisans who made these amazing drawings, their names are unknown. In one of the Reeves notebook, he wrote down 4 of the artisans' names. Actually, they are not the real name, they're just a nickname, something like that. That's why I decided to make this memorial to help people to remember something, not only Reeves, also the unknown artisan.